Good morning. I greet you all. My name is Abaroma Ozamiri. May today favor us and bring us peace. May premature death be far away from us. May accident be far away from us. May we knock and the door open for us. May we seek and find. May all our wishes be granted unto us. As I declare, so shall it be. I've come today to share with us another topic. And the topic says, what you must consider before petitioning someone to a deity. What you must consider before petitioning somebody to a deity. Now, I want you to understand that deity fight for justice. Deity fights for those that are helpless, those that cannot fight for themselves, those that are just, those that are sincere. These are the people that deity or oracles fight for. Before you go out to petition somebody to any oracle or to any deity, there are things you have to do or to have in mind. First thing is this. Most times, a lot of people, they don't even tell you that they have petitioned you to a deity. Most times, a lot of people don't tell you that, look, oh, I am going to petition you to a deity. Or even after doing it, they will not tell you. And that is why you see some people die the way they do. Some people die in a mysterious way. Some people, wherever they go to, they see that one spirit is fighting them. Check yourself and find out, have you done any business or something with somebody that you didn't end well? And maybe by that reason, that person decided to petition you to deity without telling you. But you that is going to petition somebody to a deity, there are things you have to have in mind. First thing is this. First thing you have to have in mind is this. You have to be at peace with your foundational deities and spirits. Have it in mind. Because if you are not at peace with your own foundational deities and spirits, there is tendencies of that deity to go back and not complete that assignment. Number two, if you're going to petition somebody that maybe you did a business with that person and that person refused to give you your own share, or maybe the person stole from you or something like that, make sure you've never done that to anybody. Listen, you have to make sure that you have not stolen from somebody. You have to make sure that you've not stolen from somebody. Or maybe you paid somebody to do a certain work for you and the person ate your money. Make sure that you yourself have not done that to someone. If you have done that to another person, there is tendencies for that deity to do what? To go out and fight that battle for you and still return back to you and kill you. Because that same reason why you petition that person to that deity, you are also guilty of that. We have to be very, 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 very careful. Another thing, if you petition somebody to deity, to make sure that this thing don't come back to you, it is important that you do what? You inform that person. Tell that person, look, I'm going to petition you. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. If the person feels that he or she have bigger power or bigger stuff that is working for him, the person can decide to resist it. But it will be just for you to let that person know so that that person don't die silently. That person don't die ignorantly. So that even if something start happening to the person will know that, okay, maybe it's this person that petitioned me to a deity. Because if you petition somebody without telling that person, it means that you want that person dead. That is it. Because some people might not find out. Why some might find out? And if that person is unfortunate to find out, that person might die. So another thing you have to put into consideration when you want to petition somebody to a deity is this, because this one will kill you. If that person is owing you, you petition that person to a deity. The deity started fighting, and that person now made that transfer to you. You collected the money, and you collected the money and felt that okay, you have settled with him. Deity should leave that person. That deity will come to you and kill you, because after that person must have, if that person wants to settle you, you have to involve that deity. And after, even if that person wants to settle you, you follow the process of settling that deity, because you have to withdraw that case from that deity's hand, telling that deity, okay, this person have settled me, this is the money that this person have brought, the person have paid me. If there is any promise that you made to deity, try to fulfill it. Just like some of our parents or some people that used to go to some deities, some spirits, to make promises, to pledge, and they now fail to fulfill that promises. It is very, very risky. It is very, very risky. Some people will give you the excuse that the spirit did not do it for them, that what they asked, that they did not do it for them. You might be asking for a business and they now granted you papers to abroad. You might be asking for your papers to go to abroad and they will now grant you business. The bottom line is for you to succeed and have a good life. If you are not sensitive enough, when spirits are working for you, you will not know. So that is the danger. That is why some people that used to go to church, they will say that traditional something is devilish, that they will give you with this hand and they will collect with this hand. It is a lie. They cannot give you with this hand and collect with this hand. If you have agreement with them, you fulfill it. If you don't fulfill it, they will come for you. Thank you so much. I remain blessed. You have any question, you send me message on my WhatsApp number. Remain blessed.